Hey guys, welcome to Nanrobot. Today, we are going to show you how to replace the headlight. Before we start, let me talk about the tools we will use for this repair. So for this repair, we need a new headlight and an Allen key. Firstly, we need to disconnect the connectors of the headlight. Then use the Allen key to unscrew the screw on the headlight stand. Remove the headlight. Then you should be able to take out the new headlight unit. Hold it briefly by hand and tighten it with the Allen key to ensure it doesn't wobble. Finally, connect the headlight connector. Note that the holes of the connector are aligned to help you secure the connector faster. Hope this video will help you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we see you in the next one.